All right, today's the 11th of July 2025, Crazy Revision with Kel, review of the Bitcoin market. All right, let's go to the charts right now. Okay, I can do it very, very slowly for this session so that you let people understand how to use the Bitcoin day chart to trade. Yeah, I'm going to do it very slowly, step by step to show it to you. Yeah, okay, so let's start from here first. Okay, so first of all, you can see on the starting here, there is a stack diamond. Okay, there's a stack diamond there. Okay, I'm going to do it very slowly for all of you. Okay, so it's a stack diamond here, right? So this is the stack diamond, and then everything's okay. So what must you do? You must put a line at the closing price of it, right? So you can see that I put a line at the closing, yeah? I'm gonna do it very, very slowly for all of you to understand this topic here for today. Just change the white color. That's what we always do. Okay, done. Okay, at the closing price. Okay, so what you can see is that the very next day, right? The very next day, the market opens and immediately trades below the what they call the line, right? So and it turn red color. So by right, you should cut your position. Now, once it go below a line and turns red, just cut your position. Don't need to bother if you bought lah. But if you didn't buy, right, then leave it alone. Don't be bothered by that itself. Wait for it to trade. So where's the stop loss, right? The stop loss is supposed to place at the place where the diamond is. Okay. So for stop loss, we always place at the diamond, the candle that has the diamond. So I could change the color, maybe put a green color instead. So this will be the stop loss. Okay. So this is your entry, this is your stop loss. But because the price went down, so we don't bother. Now the next day, the market trades above the line, right? And that is where you buy, your stop loss still stays there. So this is your range for the market. This is your range. And you can see that it's a very good buy because the market has KSI green, KCX black, all is good. Now, you notice that at the end of the day, a new four diamond has been created, right? So what should you do? You should just do a very simple shift. From the white line here, you shift it to the closing price for this guy, and then your stop loss now shift from here to here. So which means that those who bought earlier now, your stop loss has shifted higher, so you have a lower risk. Second of all, itself for those who haven't buy yet, right, you notice an incredible thing. Oh my God, look at it. The next 8 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. The market just stay there as if that the market just waiting for us to buy. For 9 days in a row, the market just doesn't move and just stay around there for you to buy. Now, what is the one that really takes the take the thing home, right? Is this guy here itself. Do you notice this? The KSI stay red, right? Now, if you have great belief in the KSI, you know the KSI is a seller market. But if the KSI retain rate for so many days and yet the price don't move, right? This is actually a very strong bullish signal. Very strong bullish signal. Yeah. So why do I say that? Because you have the diamond over there and the market cannot go down. So of course it's a matter of time it will go higher. And truth be told, bang, the Bitcoin shoot up. So this is a very, very important thing to take down for trading in the day chart. Yeah. Okay, then after that, we saw the market move out already, right? Okay, so what we do, the new four diamond appear. So we shift this guy up, and then the stop loss, we just have to put it from here to here. Got it? So now your stop loss has from the original low here have shifted higher. So that means that for those who bought, right, you're in a sure win position, or we call it SWL. All right, there's no need to be worried about right now. Okay, so continue, the price goes higher and higher and higher. So after that, with the market going up again, a new diamond is there. You just put it in, push it up, and then stop loss from here has shifted to here. Oh gosh, that's fantastic. Now you're definitely in the driver's seat, whereby if you have bought here, your original stop loss was here, right, at 34,000. Now it's up all the way here to 96,000. So if you have purchased it somewhere earlier around here, you are now in a profit for about 1,000 or 10,000 point, up by 12,000 in fact. So that's how you use the day chart, yeah? Okay, so now you see what happened the next few days. Again, the same thing happened. Oh my God, look at it. Look at the way the Bitcoin tried to stay went below the white line, right? But look at it. The boys here was buying, the here was selling, but the retail was staying firm. So what do you see? Is that it's like the market is just informing us that's a very interesting technical line. And the market, as long as you follow the diamond, right, you notice that the market just cannot go below it. I mean, it does go below it for a short temporarily, and then it rebounded. So that tells you that there is a very strong support at $102,000 for Bitcoin. And that is how things really run. So when you're doing day chart trading, right, this is a very, very important step that you must do. Because a lot of time I do see people basically getting out of the market because they saw the KSI rate. But you look carefully itself, the market has never went below the line and the KCX all the way black. So out of three conditions, yellow, red color KSI and KCX black, the market has displayed buying interest, not selling interest. Because if the market wanted to sell, the market would trade below the white line, but it didn't. And that is something very, very important. Now let's take a look now as the market move, bang, the price shoot up. So this type of trading in a day chart, watch out. If you see the market keep on touching the line but then doesn't go down, especially after a series of KSI red and the price purposely come down and then rebound, this is a telltale sign that the market is very, very bullish. Okay, got an idea? Okay, let's continue, yeah? So now we have a new four diamond. Okay, put it in, push it up to the closing price, and the stop loss, same thing from here, push it to here. So you see the stop loss getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Why? It's because the market is surging higher. So for those who have, let's say you really have purchased here yourself, now your stop loss is shifted to here. You're now in a sure win position of almost 20,000 because from here it's 74,000, here's 904,000. Yeah. Okay, of course, I don't expect somebody will be holding for so long, but I just give you an idea yourself. Okay, let's continue the thing. Then you see that, okay, so now the price has finally broken down, right? Okay, so once the market breaks down, what's the condition different? You see, the KSI will turn red, the candle will turn red, right? And then the KSI will turn blue. This one confirm sell already. That's why you must have a stop loss in place. Got it? So three condition, yellow candle, KSI has to be green, KCX must be blue, right? Black, right? Okay. So all along itself over here, right, the market is surging, the candle was yellow, the KSI although turned red, but the KSI was black. So out of three conditions, two of them was bullish. But for this particular chap here itself, the bar turned red, the KCX turns red, that's already two condition, and after that the KCX turns blue. So that's it. So the KSI turns red, KCX turns blue, that's it. The market surely come down. And true be told, it really came down. Yeah. And of course, remember, we have the four diamond here, right? So this is the turning point. When the market buys up and the market comes down, it'll be the same application. But the difference is that this one was yellow, this guy was red. So that's why you have to sell this guy. So understand that? Okay, so now the thing is done. Okay, the down market has sold down already. Okay, then it's all finished. And then now you have a new four diamond here. Okay, now these two diamonds are very close to one another. That means that there are two diamonds that is within five trading bars. And I said that before, where two diamonds side by side each other is a very strong bottoming out signal. It's not the best low, but it should be around there. So same thing, same application go in, okay, put the line and put a stop loss. This time around, the stop loss is very, very near. Yeah, I can see that very, very near. And again, straight away, the Bitcoin shoot up right from 106, went to a high of 110, so up by 4,000 points. So this strategy work. All right, it works. Then after that, the price come down, and same thing again, the bar turned red, the KSI turned red. That's why the market, boom, came down, stop loss triggered. Okay, so if you didn't profit yourself for some reason, then too bad lah, you get stop out. Okay, then after that, your new four diamond appear, right? Okay, so same thing again, apply the same logic, put a line at the closing price and the stop loss put at where the candle is. Now I want to show to you the same thing. Oops. Okay, here. Now you see the same thing happen. The bar immediately turned red. Now you wouldn't be able to buy on this day because the market open straight away come down. But let's say like you really bought it, then how? Too bad, lah. Stop loss done. No choice. All right, because you had to follow the rule, right? Okay, so stop loss done. Then what we do, we wait for a while. No new diamonds. We just wait, wait. and look at the market. If you don't stop loss, you see you get more losses. Yeah. Okay, then a new stack diamond appear. Repeat the same process. Stop loss put here, white line put here, and then prepare for next trading day. Now KSI is green, I mean the candle is yellow, KCX is black, so all looks good, right? And that's where it started again. So you will realize that if you keep on doing this day chart, you will know exactly what to do. And as long as the market follow the same rhythm and stay above the line, candle is yellow is fine. Even when KSI turn red, it's okay because it's staying above the line. So now what happened? A new 4 diamond has born. We just shift the line up, and then stop loss had to shift it all the way to here, and then we just had to wait until the market breaks above the white line, and then let's see what happened. Here we go. Ta-da! So again and again, I have proven that our system works itself. You just have to follow the rules. Now, there will be losses along the way. It's impossible to have no losses. Okay. So when people tell me say their trading system got no losses, I think there's a lot of BS here. But if you're talking about trading using this method, the day chart, right, and you follow it, right, I can tell you this, especially those days when the market touches a line and then the KSI turning red and the price purposely breaks below the diamond light white line and then rebound, those are the best days to really pound onto it and then go for the buy up itself. All right. So that is how the Bitcoin have been trading. So if you're trading Bitcoin right now, what will be your next step? You just have to do a simple same thing again. Push this guy to the highest point, which is here. Okay, and then you just take this one and push it up to here, and you're done. All right, so you can see right now that this is what's happening now on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin now has a buy entry this morning and a stop loss right here. Okay, so this is what exactly happened to Bitcoin. And if you follow through the sharing today, you will know how to trade Bitcoin all the way since the starting point where we just shared was back in April and until here. So in total from April to now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. There were 10 times you can trade the Bitcoin using this strategy. You will have some losses, but overall you will make. All right, hope you enjoyed this sharing session, and I apologize for the earlier issue. Not too sure what happened. Murphy's Law. All right, thank you very much, guys. See you in the Telegram group. Bye-bye.